Percussion Hero, a Cystic Fibrosis chest physical therapy game for patients and caregivers. Chest physical therapy is a common treatment for cystic fibrosis. The goal is for caregivers to help patients remove mucus built up in their airway that can interfere with breathing and can lead to infection. A key challenge for the effectiveness of the treatment is compliance. Both patients and caregivers can find the therapy monotonous and challenging to fit into everyday busy lives. In the rest of this video, we will introduce the basics of chest physiotherapy and describe how our game Percussion Hero was designed to increase engagement and to make chest physical therapy a fun experience for both patients and caregivers. Chest physical therapy consists of 3 core exercises: percussion, vibration, and postural drainage. These 3 exercises rely heavily on the assistance of a caregiver, typically a parent or a loved one. In percussion, the caregiver uses cupped hands to percuss over specific areas on the chest and back in a rhythmic manner. This helps loosen the sticky mucus that gets stuck in the patient's lungs and airways. During vibration, the caregiver then uses flattened hands to shake and vibrate over the area where percussion was just performed. This encourages the mucus that was released during percussion to make its way into the main airway, where it can be coughed up. Postural drainage is a positioning technique that uses gravity to improve the effectiveness of percussion and vibration. The goal is to elevate various lung segments as high as possible to encourage fluid to move into the primary airway. For best results, therapy alternates between 3 to 5 minutes of percussion followed by 3 minutes of vibration. The process is then repeated in a number of different postural drainage positions. Using the requirements of chest physical therapy, we designed Percussion Hero, a rhythm-based game that incorporates percussion, vibration, and postural drainage as central elements of gameplay. Percussion Hero encourages patients and caregivers to work closely together to save the intergalactic system from losing the essence of music to an anti-music star. Percussion Hero's gameplay is similar to other rhythm games like Guitar Hero. However, rather than using a gamepad controller, Percussion Hero uses audio processing to detect percussions and chops performed during the therapy as game input. The gameplay is based around the metaphor of a concert set list. Percussion and vibration are choreographed along to the song's rhythm. Patients then switch between postural drainage positions between each song. During percussion, players are first introduced to the patient astronaut whose spacesuit has been installed with a special instrument called the galactophone. It is made up of 24 buttons, each representing a specific percussion area. The caregiver controls the role of the astronaut who has a special power to play the galactophone by percussing over buttons when they align with music stars. During vibration, the caregiver astronaut uses flattened hands to shake and vibrate over the galactophone. As coughing normally occurs during vibration, the game prepares the patient to produce productive cough by prompting the patient to inhale deeply prior to the start of vibration and exhale deeply while vibration is being done. When coughing is detected, the game will pause, and then the screen of fireworks will appear to celebrate reaching an important therapy goal. Our work demonstrates how chest physical therapy can be incorporated into an engaging game and illustrates the potential values in exploring therapeutic games that target both patients and caregivers as central players in the game experience.